Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very important guys because this AI tool is amazing guys, and this is one of my favorite AI tool guys. And I guess this kind of AI tool is not available on this internet guys. So let's start the video guys. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it because I make AI related video guys. So if you get updated about AI and technologies, if you love technology, please subscribe the channel. So let's start the video guys. Open your Google Chrome and you will have to search a stable diffusion Excel. Then the first link will come guys, clipboard.co. The first website you will have to open. If you don't find this link, I have given the link in the description below. By clicking on that link, you will come to this interface, and this website has everything guys. Like go down and see what are the tools they have. A stable diffusion Excel, uncrop, reimaginable Excel guys. See guys, a stable doodle, cleanup, background remover, relight your image up a scaler guys, replace background, text remover. So they have, I guess, everything. And one of my favorite is guys, text to image guys, and you won't believe the quality of these images guys. You won't believe. And let me show you guys pricing. You will be amazed. See guys, in free of cost stable diffusion Excel, 400 images you can generate per day guys. So I guess this is the best AI tool and best alternative of Midjourney guys. You don't need to do anything, just you don't need to buy anything guys, just you will have to free logged in, and 400 images you will generate from text every day guys. So that would be, I guess, enough for any creator, for any businesses, for whatever you do. So that would be enough guys. So logged in free and start using guys. See guys, I came to this website again, and see guys, here you will have to type any kind of prompt guys, and they will generate the high quality, very super fast images guys, and that would be amazing. So let me show you. So give any prompt, like I given this prompt guys, a girl with blue eyes, blondie, red dress, looking funny. Click on generate guys and see the magic. You will have to wait for couple of minutes and see the magic guys. See guys, I guess it took 45 seconds guys, and they have created high quality images, whatever kind of prompt we had given. So click on that image, and let me show you guys the image quality, so you will believe. See, it got downloaded guys. So let me show you the quality of this image. You will be amazed guys. See guys, the quality of this image. This is in high quality image guys. You can use anywhere you want. So this is amazing guys. So let me show you once again. We'll give the prompt. See guys, again we have given some prompt. Let me see how they create the image once again. See guys, how beautifully they have created the images guys. Let me show you the quality of this image guys. Amazing guys. So any kind of prompt you will give, and they will create the image for you guys. And I already shown you guys, you can create 400 up to 400 free images every day. So this website is amazing guys, and they have others, options also: removal background, cleanup, text remover, uh, image relight, image upscaler, replace background. So these options are amazing guys, and I won't believe that this kind of website exists on this internet free of cost guys. So this is the best guys, and start using. So I hope you like the video guys. So Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.